Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Investors often overlook marine shipping stocks when the economy is slow. On one level, it makes sense. Weak economic growth will lead to less products or commodities being shipped. On the other hand, there are marine shipping companies like Diana Shipping Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol DSX, that avoid much of that uncertainty by signing multi-year contracts that need to be paid regardless. The outlook for marine shipping industry remains solid. Trade data has been better than expected, with challenges in the Red Sea and Suez Canal forcing customers to pay premiums rate for long shipping routes. And while there eventually be a ceasefire in Gaza, there are questions about whether the Houthis would stop attacks. This is also the question about how different shipping companies will react to a ceasefire and how quickly they would return to the Red Sea. Beyond that, the outlook for ocean freight industry looks solid, with industry expert predicting trade will increase from 9 billion tons annually to between 19 and 24 billion tons by 2030. Even the most bearish scenarios point to strong maritime growth. And this growth, coupled with an aging fleet and low new building, bodes well for Diana Shipping Inc. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, the Athens, Greece-based company provides global marine shipping transportation services. The vessels are used primarily on short to medium-term time charters and carry a range of dry bulk cargoes, including your most popular commodities like iron ore, coal, grain, and other materials along worldwide shipping routes. Currently, its fleet consists of 39 dry bulk vessels. The combined carrying capacity is approximately 4.4 million deadweight tons, with an average weighted, age of 10.9 years and a contract duration of 1.34 years. Now, the number continues to grow. We'll be adding two new Kamsarmaz dry bulk vessels at a purchase price of $46 million each to its fleet over the coming years, and I think 2027 and 2028. Now, since its inception in 2002, the average fleet utilization rate has been pretty strong, an unbeatable 99.5%.
Let's talk numbers here. How did this company do in the second quarter of this year?
Mixed, but I think encouraging. For the second quarter ended June 30th, 2024, Diana reported time charter revenue of $56 million, and that was down from $67.4 million in the same period last year. Now, on a daily basis, time charter equivalent rate was $15,106, with daily vessel operating expenses of $5,993. Now, at the end of the second quarter, it had secured $76.8 million in revenue for the remainder of 2024, with average daily time charter fixed revenue of $17,138. We'll find out how much that has changed when it announces its third quarter financial results in the next little while. And now the company didn't provide any guidance, but analysts expect earnings to slip from 39 cents per share in 2023 to 27 cents per share in 2026, before rebounding pretty strongly to 92 cents per share in 2025.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, how are the dividends looking here?
Diana Shipping has been rewarding shareholders with reliable dividends since 2021. While the payout will fluctuate based on earnings, it hasn't missed a payout since the third quarter of 2021. In fact, since then, it has paid cumulative dividends of $2.64 per share. With Diana Shipping stock currently trading hands at $2.34 per share, this payout represents 112% of Diana Shipping's current share price. Now, that total includes the second quarter dividend of 7.5 cents per share, or 38 cents per share on an annual basis, for a current forward yield of 15.69%.
And finally, how is DSX stock doing?
Well, to be fair, DSX stock hasn't given shareholders much reason to cheer over the last few years. In fact, it's trading at its lowest levels since April 2021, while DSX stock is trading deep in the red. Down, I think it's like 15% year to date and 21% on an annual basis. The outlook for DSX stock is pretty solid, at least if Wall Street gets its way. Currently trading at $2.30 per share. Analysts have provided a 12-month average share price forecast of $3 per share. Now, that bullish call comes on the heels of strong earnings and revenue guidance for 2025. Now, in addition to, as previously noted, expecting earnings to jump from 27 cents per share in 2024 to 92 cents per share in 2025, revenue is expected to rise from $247.5 million this year to $323.5 million in 2025. And now that's, for context, well above its 2019 pre-health crisis levels of $227.7 million. This should, of course, help energize DSX stock and its dividend payout.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just to recap, Diana Shipping is a leading pure-play dry bulk shipping company that has safely navigated through various shipping cycles since 1972. It is growing its fleet and it continues to report strong financial results. The outlook for Diana Shipping remains robust with demand growth in the Atlantic, grain trade showing steady growth over the past decade, and increased bulk commodity shipments to India and China. Long-term, significant investments in new and existing production facilities for iron ore, manganese, and grain is expected to continue to support further increase in ton-mile demand for years to come. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.